A tweet up of the Twittering community in Pakistan definitely deserves kudos for ingenuity. A new way to engender togetherness and solidarity in our troubled Karachi existence. It also poses a few entertaining questions. Will everyone have to limit themselves to 140 characters every time they talk? Will all normal conversation revert to the customary TW at the beginning of key concepts and ideas? As one Pakistani Twitter user observed, twags instead of hugs. What next? Let's do twaffy.
Organized by Rabia Gharib of CIO and co-moderated by Badr Khushnood, the country consultant for Google, last Sunday, 26 July, saw a first-of-its-kind event in Karachi.
Once again, thank you so much for being here. I think we had a massive confusion about when we're having a bloggers meetup, and we said just scratch the board clean and let's have a tweet up. We've seen a tremendous amount of hype as far as blogging is concerned. We've seen a lot of blogger meetup. I know T-Break has celebrated their birthday online virtually. There we go, Amar. I'll just lay out the ground rules and then it's open for all.
Held in one of the ballrooms of the Royal Rodale, one of the more unique things about this tweet up, aside from its name, was the fact that it brought together professionals from the tech industry as well as amateurs or ordinary folk.
I'm a simple guy. I sit all day at home in front of a computer, and what I tweet about is pretty much determined by my mood swings.
Except this time, both were on an almost equal footing as far as the tech went.
I am Faisal Kapadia. I have a blog called Deadline Thoughts, and my Twitter ID is Faisal Kapadia.
My name is Fareen Effendi, and my Twitter ID is Mama Effendi. I have 3 young kids.
I have bought 2 laptops. One is online and one is offline.
Sure, there were the self-proclaimed newcomers, and kudos to them for sacrificing precious Sunday hours to truly learn about something they weren't already involved in.
I'm just here to find out what people are actually using Twitter for, and probably start doing it after this conference.
For this, however, it seems they were shamefully punished.
So, since you don't have a Twitter ID, just as punishment, can you say tweet?
Hi, I'm Vinesh. I don't have a Twitter ID yet, but maybe I'll make it fit. Tweet.
Flap your wings.
I'm Shakta. I don't have a Twitter ID, so tweet.
While it may seem counterintuitive for an online community to actually meet in the flesh, the tweet up definitely had some anticipated novelty value.
Your Byte Connector. Okay, Byte Connector and I have been playing Antakshari's from 1 o'clock in the morning till 3 o'clock in the morning the night it rained.
In the general Twitter spirit of communication and reaching out to others, the tweet up definitely challenged people's existing comfort zones.
So maybe we can probably move them in terms of who are the current active people and the non-people, and then we can probably have a discussion or something.
Actually, rather than tweeple and people, can we just make it so that you're sitting next to somebody you don't know? Biryani Bhai and Nokia person, you can't be sitting next together. Okay, I'm going to pass the mic around. If you can please introduce yourself and keep it very brief. Since it's Twitter, try and keep your introductions to less than 140 characters, please.
I'm Haris, a technology blogger from sizzlecode.com. My Twitter ID is HarisN.
My Twitter ID is twitter.com/AnamBigHill.
And she's also the first person to register for this tweet up. So please give her a big round of applause.
My Twitter ID is IL
I actually got my Twitter ID almost a year ago.
Wow.
My Twitter ID is JADWN.
Quit it and then reactivated it again.
And usually you can figure out when Umair is sleeping in class because he's very honest and tweets about diabolism.
Those not physically there were definitely present in spirit, with a constantly Twitter-happy audience. Laptops were out and little glowing apples were signaling the serious mindedness of their owners' Twitterophilia.